I'm cooking here. Hi everyone, welcome to my world, Pascalina's world, and I am in my beautiful garden. It's such a beautiful sunny day and it's really hot, and today you're in for a treat. I'm going to give you a tour. Let's get started. Right here we have courgette. You could see here they are absolutely gorgeous. I've got yellow courgette, you call it zucchini, and green courgette, all shapes and size. All I did, I just throw some seeds and voila, they start growing. I did them about end of May when the weather was quite nice and warm. And I started to have some fruits as well. And I'm really surprised. I have flowers and fruits. Let's see. Beautiful flower here, and we have two green zucchini, and there's more flowers over there, and by next week probably I'll have dinner. Here I have cucumbers, and you could see I've got big plant here, little one, because I just keep throwing the seed in, and look how beautiful they are. They're all growing very nicely. I usually keep an eye for the bugs, and you could see the leaves are so beautiful here. And here, this is new, I did a small trellis here, and my son did that for me. We dig 2 poles, and I've got some strings, so that is going to be so pretty when it's all climbing and over cucumbers, you know, dangling down. And so it's beautiful. So it's I mean, if you haven't been seedling, all you could do is just go to the garden center and just buy the plant. One plant will give you loads of fruits. So right now I've got so many, and probably I have to take some out. It's too much. I've got these little hooks here, and we screw them to the wood so we can hang the string. And I'm going to show you how I put the string to the ground, which is, you want the string to be really strong. So what I did, we come here. Okay, so what I did, I pulled the string down, get a stick, tie it with a good knot, and really push it to the ground. And so the string is very strong. The cucumber is not going anywhere. It's just going to climb, and it's not going to fall. So it's very simple, easy, and you don't need a lot of money to do that. Just get stick from the garden. Here I've got my cute little ladder. My husband said, why is the ladder dangling here? There's a good reason, and I love this ladder. And my son said to me for Mother's Day, that was a couple of years ago, Mom, what do you want for Mother's Day? I said, I want a homemade ladder. So he made this ladder for me. Why? Here, voila, I've got melon. So these beauties here is going to climb on my ladder, and I'm going to have a beautiful view here. Imagine the melon climbing, and they are very small melons, so they don't need to grow on the ground. So those big ones, you need to actually let them grow on the ground, but this one, they're fairly small, and I can put support to hold them down. And I've put this because we have animals. In this plot here I have potatoes and sweet peas. And why did I put them together? Because I had no room, and basically the sweet pea would harvest, and I will take them out, and the potato will have room to grow. And there's already have harvest here, and I could see the peas there, but they're not ready. But if you haven't planted your peas already, you can still do so. And you can get them from the shop, and then just plant them, and they grow so quickly. You will have harvest by July, August, because I did that about, I would say, 5-6 weeks ago, and look, they grow so fast. And yeah, so it's not too late. And here I have kale, and they're so beautiful. I love kale. I do smoothie with them, and I've got here, and here I've got 2 cabbages and more kale here, and they're ready to harvest. So I need to come and pick them, put them in salad, and you can do them with rice, smoothie, and put peanut butter and banana. They're just so yummy, and kale is so healthy. Kale like cool weather, and this part of the garden is quite shady, so but they're not going to last long, so I have to harvest them, and they are so beautiful and green and healthy. They look absolutely beautiful. You could actually get a bride to carry one of those for their wedding, because it's that gorgeous. And these are ready to harvest because I wanted to show you first before I harvest this. So I'm going to do them this week. These are so crunchy, you could see. You could just pick them and just eat them like that because they're so cute, delicious and healthy and beautiful. I'm so proud of my lettuce. Okay, next stop, carrots. Those carrots are doing really nice. And when I was seedling the carrots, I get a bit heavy-handed. I just put too much seed. Because why do I do that? Because we have a lot of birds and they come and just pick on the seed. So I just want to be sure that I will have enough carrots to grow. But you could see it's very bushy here. There's a lot and we need to leave room for them. So I'm going to show you how to declutter the carrots so they grow big and nice and lovely. As you could see here, they are so close. You know, I really dislike doing that, but I have no choice. I have to make room for them to grow. So you could see these two are so close. Yeah, so there's not enough room. So I'm going to just pull this one out. I'm sorry, carrots, I really am. And here, you could see these are so close. So I'm going to pull, oh, look at those. This is all the red one. So cute. Let's see again here. Oh yeah, you could see these two here. I take this one out. Oh, I'm sorry, little baby. And here as well, like this one so close. And just tap with this. Okay, so I need to go around and declutter the carrots. So that's how you do them. Oh, they're cute. Look at them. Oh, babies. Guys, this one here, I'm going to show you. It's my pride and joy. I've been doing gardening for a while, but I never ever seen such a beautiful cabbage. Look at this here. It's absolutely beautiful. It's green, it's luscious, it's big, and it's doing so well. And to be honest with you, all my cabbages in the past hasn't been doing so well. They're small and the animals get into them and they don't do so well. But I have to look after them. I've been covering them, but one day I went inside and I forgot. I came back, dun. Look at this one. Yeah, so I forgot to cover them and I went inside and I came back and look what happened. Here we live in the middle of a forest. We have deers, we have squirrel, we have chipmunks, we have mice, we have God knows what, lots of animal. So I'm not sure, I think it's a deer because it's quite big chunk here. So, and I was so sad and disappointed. Yeah, but in life, you know, we have a lot of disappointment and I just want to share with you. I just look at this and I'm like, no way, I've been looking after it all the time and look what happened. But in life, that's what happens. Sometimes good things happen and bad things. We get disappointed with plants, with people, with things, with circumstances, incident, accident, and it just stops us. And the question is, what do we do with those disappointments? And but you know, I'm still going to look after it. I'm still going to cover it, and I'm still to protect it. And that's how we need to be. We need to protect our heart when we get disappointed with people. And the Bible said, lean not on your own understanding. Sometimes we don't comprehend, we don't understand, but we need to just look up unto God and pray and believe God is on the throne and He is working on our behalf, and have a clean heart. So if you're going through any disappointment right now in your life, I want you to be lifted up. I want you to be encouraged, and I want you to let go, and I want you to look up and trust the Lord. That's my garden for now. There's more to show, trust me, but that's for next time. So you have to keep watching to see more. And I hope you're planting, and I hope you're harvesting, and I hope you're enjoying your garden like I am. And God bless you. We'll see you soon. Bye. Breathe for me. All I want is you in front of me. I could have another, but you're always gonna be my own. All I want is you, my everything. I don't need another, 'cause you're always gonna be